So everyone gets banned on Facebook all the time and you don't know what to do. Like there's no direction and no one on YouTube is telling you what the next 4 steps are. In this very short and straight to the point video, I'm going to give you the 4 steps that I go ahead and take the moment my Facebook ad account gets banned. And this is a simple formula that me and all my students go through. Now, if you want to become one of my students, click the links below, sign up, because I want to turn you into one of my many success stories. Other than that, let's get straight into the tutorial.
I know you probably know some ways around it. I guess I have to get probably a new computer so I can get a new MAC address and change my fingerprint, my digital fingerprint up.
Yeah, so when it comes to your Facebook problem, 1, try to appeal it. 2, try to create a second business manager. So when you go to business.facebook, see if you can create a second business manager account. 3, you would have to use maybe your wife's or your brother, sister's Facebook account and use their ad manager. So those are the 3 solutions that you want to go with: 1, 2, and 3. The 3 things I said at the beginning, that's all you need to do. Try appeal. If not, try make a new ad account. If not, then try make a new business manager. If not, then use a family member's Facebook account. Bam, as you can see, straight to the point, no BS. Those are the 4 steps. I don't want to waste any of your time. Let's go ahead and announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, question of the day, are there any other steps that you guys take when it comes to recovering your Facebook ad account, or what to do when you get banned? Let me know your other steps. I want to create a community where everyone shares and helps each other within the comment section. So help me with that. So let's go ahead and create that community in the comment section. Other than that, I hope to see you guys tomorrow with nothing but more value. Thank you so much for your support and time with the channel. Peace.